Oh, look it. Here's all the horses back here. Let's go over here, Hannah.
That's a cute picture.
Ooh.
That's, some people have that for decoration.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, people, yeah, I had that. No, that's a necklace.
Oh, yeah? What's on his necklace?
What's on her neck?
Look and see.
Happy birthday.
What's the sign say, Hannah? What is it? Do you realize that that's your horse for your birthday?
I'm getting a horse?
You're getting... You're getting a horse. That's your horse.
She needs lots of love and
It's a
attention.
fitting horse. Yes, it's a fitting horse. Yes.
You should tell Jen thank you, because she's the one that found it for you.
You're welcome. Isn't she beautiful?
That's your own horse that you get to take home.
How are we going to take it home?
We'll figure that out later.
Huh?